Hello kids! Today we're going to learn all about body parts in English. Aram se sune, or mere saath bole.
Great. Are you ready to get started? First up, let's begin with our face.
This is my eye. Eye. Mere saath bole? Eye.
This is my ear. Ear. Mere saath bole. Ear.
This is my nose. Nose. मेरे साथ बोलें nose.
This is my mouth. Mouth. Mere saath bole? Mouth.
Wonderful. Now let's move on and learn about the other amazing parts of our body.
This is my hand. Hand. Mere saath bole? Hand.
This is my arm. Arm. मेरे साथ बोलें arm.
This is my elbow. Elbow. Mere saath bole? Elbow.
These are my fingers. Fingers. मेरे साथ बोलें fingers. This is my leg. Leg. मेरे साथ बोलें leg. This is my knee. Knee. मेरे साथ बोलें knee.
This is my foot. Foot. Mere saath bole? Foot.
These are my toes. Toes. मेरे साथ बोलें toes. This is my skin. Skin. मेरे साथ बोलें skin.
You are doing such a great job. Now for something really cool. Let's find out what's inside our bodies.
These are my bones. Bones. Mere saath bole? Bones.
These are my muscles. Muscles. मेरे साथ बोलें muscles. This is my brain. Brain. मेरे साथ बोलें brain. This is my heart. Heart. मेरे साथ बोलें heart. These are my lungs. Lungs. मेरे साथ बोलें lungs.
This is my stomach. Stomach. मेरे साथ बोलें stomach.
This is my blood. Blood. मेरे साथ बोलें blood.
Wow, you've learned so many new words, so I think it's time for a little game to practice. Are you ready?
What is this?
Shabash, ham.
Okay, you ready for the next one?
And what is this?
Shabash. Heart.
That was fantastic. Okay, to finish up, let's do a fun chant with some of the words we learned. Say them with me nice and loud.
Ready? Let's go. Eye, ear, nose, mouth, hand, leg, foot.
Very good. आपने बहुत अच्छा बोला. See you next time.